Kidney detox superheroes of Nutriville. In the vibrant town of Nutriville, where health and happiness.
Hold on, hold on. See, we got both of them finna come slapping at us at the same time. Shout out to DJ Is, because he already been in here. Y'all know he made this beat. And it's finna go dumb. If you don't think it's finna go dumb, I want you to raise your expectations. Because that's where exactly what you're gonna be like, well, damn, popcorn, that motherfucker does slap. But, anyways, it's a cultivating mix between going from this beat to what's actually being said. So make sure y'all hit the replay game, because you know y'all gonna have to appreciate the work that was put into this advertisers from our sponsors, because hell, they did their thing. Anyways, yeah, I agree with you. I agree with you. Of course, he got land races going. You know, he only want to specialize in land races. He says I ain't talking about it unless it's got some historical background holding it up. You dig? Because you know, like they said, lineage is key.
Flourished, there lived 5 friends. Alex the apple, Carly the cranberry, Sam the spinach, Gina the ginger, and Toby the turmeric. They had a special mission, to keep the residents' kidneys healthy and happy. One sunny day, they gathered by the sparkling Nutri River, their favorite meeting spot. Alex the apple was the first to speak. Hey friends, we're like superheroes for the kidneys, helping people ride bikes, scooters, and enjoy the outdoors by keeping their bodies balanced and healthy. Carly the cranberry nodded, that's right, we're like little kidney superheroes. We help flush out toxins and keep those kidneys clean. Sam the spinach added, and we're packed with vitamins and minerals that give kidneys the strength they need to work their best. Gina the ginger chimed in, plus, we have antioxidants that fight off harmful invaders and protect those hardworking
Oh, that's what I
kidneys.
said, bro. Don't want to fuck with nothing unless it's some like land races. Cause hell, you know how he grow. Hell.
Curcumin helps reduce inflammation.
He's like, hell, I got this, and this, but hell, I'm focusing on these, and these.
The residents started incorporating these superfoods into their meals. That's
what I gotta tell him. I'm like, yeah, you definitely want to keep up that other Azine channel with the grows. But hell, you know how we do. We segue, we get all those accomplished. I want to make this type of content, this type of content. Hell, if we doing content, we just gonna hit record.
They showed everyone that
is your phone charged? Wow, I'm finna go live.
It was about nourishing
I wasn't ready.
Vital organ
you can go live with me now. Now you gotta plug in. Now you gotta sit here and watch. You in the chat while you do
the goodness of cranberries, apples, spinach, ginger, garlic, and turmeric. Ready to be a superhero for your health? Visit www.superfoodparents.com and join the Nutriville community to learn how to nourish your body like the residents of this vibrant town.
Then of course here go the big homie. Y'all know to go check out his YouTube channel. It's Neo Cannabis. Shout out to Neo Cannabis. He's very informative. You know, it ain't too many people I actually rock with these days. But hell, he's definitely the Cali plug. You see what I'm saying? If he ain't the Cali dude you know, he's one of them ones that should be at the top of the list. You know, you got Snoop, Tucky, the Green Table niggas, and well, they East and West Coast. Shout out to the big homies, because you know we keep it Green Table Podcast for real. You know how we do. We always rock that shit. Hell, I'm gonna have to get some of that gear coming up, because looks like besides my Son of Odin seed sponsorship, I might actually need some beans coming up, because hell, you know I got that pack from the big homie coming all day. But hell, if I want something besides what he got, I'm gonna have to actually get back out there. Hell, you know, be on my productive pimping, which man, you already know which one I was thinking about grabbing. That Shorty Air always sound fire, and you know Beast Coast always talking about that one. Like that shit slapped the hardest. So I'm gonna have to slap that slapper one of these days. Put in that order. You did put it in orders. Shout out to orders, because you know that's what funding is for. We'll get it one of these days, and then they can't stop us. Well, they already can't stop us, because we that train with no brakes. You dig? We ain't even got no stops. We just going till we ain't going. You dig? They gonna have to hit the track with dynamite just to get me up off of them. What happened? Hey man, they laid these tracks. He just kept rolling. You dig? He'd switch out and before you could get him in all types of ghost maneuvers. But anyways, wholesale versus bust down. It's a full guide. Shout out to your boy for putting out guided informations, because you know